We are inside our warehouse where they are stocking clothes, fabric. Ezemo is cutting shirts for me. And the kids are playing hide and seek behind. See. Choke. And back in. See. Let's get it. Where is your brother and sister?
Excuse, Mama.
Hey, don't just jump around here. You might hit somebody. It's okay. No, go here.
Okay, Mama. It's okay.
Shit! Who is here? He nearly jumped on you, Uche.
I know! I was even scared. I needed to shout. No, Zero will come. Never come.
If you jump on him, boom. Okay, you never find Zero yourself. Uche, don't go and tell where she is. Don't cheat. Let me leave you good. So is going to cut the whole clothes here. And we go back to the whole warehouse. Abba mate. If you're in Abba and you don't go home with new clothes, you're doing something wrong. Abi Chief! They say if you're in Abba and you're not going back with new clothes, you're doing something wrong. The old place.
Enyimba City.
Promote home.
Abamba kwe.